jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring.
Hi guys, welcome. My name is Elizabeth Ann, and today's vlogmas is gonna be my 2023 vision board. Every time I do something like that, I want to do the like it's from Paris and Nikki. Oh my god, what is wrong with my brain? Paris and Nicole. It's from Paris and Nicole. But Bailey Sarian also does it in her murder makeup mystery. Oh, no wonder I'm so hot. The heater's on like 80. Okay, hold on. Anyway, hi. As you can tell, we're taking the casual route this vlogmas, and we're creating what we want to create. I mean, there are going to be some fun videos, and I think this is fun. This is fun for me. But today I'm sitting in a little office area. If you guys are wondering and haven't seen vlogmas day one, you might be thinking, oh my gosh, I'm a Tumblr era person. Is that what I think it is? It is indeed a Fault in the Stars poster from 2013, 2012. I mean, I will never forget that summer for the rest of my life. That was my summer. The summer I was like, oh, like this is what people do. Like, they have fun with friends. Right. And that soundtrack was my summer soundtrack. Shout out Summer, Bryce, Kaylin. Anyway, it is there, and she's saying. So is the ladder, and so is my mental, or I guess the lack thereof, mental stability. Today we are doing our vision board. So if you guys are new here, me, myself, and I love a good vision board. I've been making them literally forever. Hold on, I'll just show you guys. It's from my ABAC era. And it's not really a vision board. I started that, and I knew my girlfriend would yell at me if she heard me say that. Jake and I, little Aaron, my parents, Ellie, more Jake, more Uriah, Happy Daddy, more Uriah, Austin, shout out Katie, love you, shout out Pub, battle to board number 2. But I'm pretty sure I made this when I was moving to Oklahoma. Anyway, let's go over it. How cute. So I did include some quotes, right? But mostly like pictures of my friends and I. Shout out Julia. If you know, you know. Anyway, like that. Iconic. Julia. My aunt. My uncles. Like, how fun. Shout out Jen. Okay. The point of all of that is that been doing this forever. I love a good collage moment. Later on, I realized, oh, really like a vision board moment. And it's become an entire outlet for me, you know? And last year, when I was going through a little bit of a hard time, I started making lots of vision boards, and the whole idea behind it all for me is I want to see and visualize things I want in life, right? And so I put it on vision boards. For some people it's deeper, for some people they're not into manifestation, that kind of stuff. For some people they're that's sacrilegious. Don't really care. My opinion is I love a good vision board, and I love seeing it and making it for a year or 6 months or a few months and being oh, this is what I want to accomplish, and setting goals and achieving goals. And it's so fun to look back at your vision board and see what you got to do. And the whole thing is I put my wildest dreams on here, and I'm don't know if this is going to happen to me or not, but I'm going to put it on here. And I don't know how I'm gonna get it, but I'm gonna get it. And guess what? If we go back to my vision board video from last year, I remember making it in my apartment and I put like crazy things on there. And at that point, I didn't know I was gonna be able to live in Europe for like, well, people hate when you say that, but whatever. Live abroad this summer. And like that's on there, going to Paris, there's Italy, there's just like so much on there that I accomplished. And I'm so grateful and I'm so proud of myself for everything I've done. And especially like right now with my life sort of at like a weird kind of standstill. I want to create like a kick-ass one for 2023. I have no clue how I'm gonna get there, but I know I'm gonna get there and I'm really excited. And so yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along for the journey. How I usually start is sort of like thinking to myself stuff I really want to accomplish. And some things are like things I know that I probably won't accomplish within the next year and more long-term goal. Basically, I do both long-term and short-term goals. And I'm making a collage. Super fun, super funky, super fresh. And I look at it every day. So I'm making a new one. I cleared out a poster board that's in my bedroom, so I'm not going to physically like, I mean, I'm going to show you guys, but I'm not going to be holding it. And I'm really excited.
Kind of pills are you on? Ringing the bell, and nobody's coming to help.
Hey you guys, I'm literally obsessed with how this year's vision boards came out. I think they're the best yet, and I really, really love them. It ended up being 5 total separate boards, but they look so great. So let's start off with the first one. I'm going to go over a little bit of my goals from here. I'm not going to do every single one. So this one has some things from London, some things from England, places I want to visit, things I want to do, fitness, morning routines, making myself a morning person. Most importantly, it has Kelly and Ryan because that's my favorite morning talk show. It would be such a dream to work as a producer on like that or the Today Show or something like that. And yes, that's why that's on there. And so let's move on to the next one. Up next is super exciting. So first of all, I have Trileith Studios, the Trileith Studios like neighborhood in the bottom right hand corner. That is a part of the UGA master's program I am applying to, Dancing with the Stars. It would be a huge dream of mine, both short and long term, to be able to work with them one day. It also has a script, which is pretty obvious. It has some interior, exterior of homes and things I like. Also has a home office, which is a big goal of mine. More quotes and more travel things. And let's move on to the next one. Okay, so up next we have a lot of YouTube things, some more film things, director's chair. There's a camera, there's a red carpet, there's more quotes, another sort of, I hate saying girl boss, it's sort of ironically, but like working woman. There's female groups at award shows. There's Ralph's, of course, Ralph's, and like TikTok, YouTube things. So that's what this one was mainly directed towards. And now let's flip over to lucky number 4. This is a fun one. So I have some New York things, some more travel things, a dream car, opera. I want to go to a lot of shows. I had so much fun doing that this past summer, so I'd like to try to go to more shows and concerts and stuff. I have a dream kitchen. Like I said, it's mainly just travel. And then there's a Coachella photo and also a girl getting her hair and makeup done. And what girl doesn't dream of that? Last but certainly not least, lucky number 5. Just kidding, it's just number 5. But anyway, let's get into her. We have some Broadway, like I was telling you guys. I would love to be able to go to shows, but that's also a short-term and a long-term goal. I just want to be as culturally diverse, go see as many art museums and shows and concerts and stuff like that. It's just like a huge goal of mine. I've been a huge art and concert, Broadway, not necessarily Broadway, but plays person my entire life. And there are so many on my list that I'm dying to see, but we'll see if I make it there or not this year. I have another picture of Friends. I have a picture of a runway show. I have a picture of a newsroom, hot girl walk, a videographer like taking a video of the infamous, not infamous, but famous street in New York that everyone goes to watch the sunset at. I have another group of friends. I think I said that already. SCAD Film Festival, UGA, for obviously I'm applying to a UGA program. We have money. We have interior and exterior of more homes and just more quotes. So yeah. And last but not least, for the second time, we have the final presentation of the vision board. It looks so good. I'm so excited to have it beside me while I sleep every day. And I can't wait to see what 2023 brings. I know it's going to be a year of discovery and a year of accomplishing things and just another year dedicated to myself. And I'm really, really excited. I'm so proud of myself and how much I really pushed myself this past year. I'm grateful for the personal strides in my self-development. I'm grateful that I've started to get over the whole age thing. For so long in my life, I felt so constructed by the fact that I felt so, quote, far behind in life than my peers and my friends and my people I've grown up with, and everyone's getting married and getting engaged and having babies and all that kind of stuff. And I just always felt like I was in the background. But at this point in my life, I feel so confident that I'm ready to set sail and make these big goals a reality. And it's not going to be overnight, but I'm excited to be entering my late 20s, which is just insane. In about 19 days, or 20 days, I will be turning 26 years old, which is just crazy to me. I am so grateful for my health. I'm grateful for my family. I'm grateful for my adventures, all my memories and everything. And I am just grateful for my life and what's to come. So with that, in closing, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and comment down below. Subscribe. Check out my other vision board playlist. I will make a playlist and link it down below. And also, with it being sort of a reflection video, instead of making a separate, like, here's to you 2022, I decided to include it into this video. So that's why the video is a little bit longer. But I hope you guys enjoy this little yearly recap. Okay, bye.
So, yeah, another year has come and gone, and I guess you could say I've learned quite a bit. Life is beautiful, and broken, and messy, and good.
With that, the 2022 season comes to an end. Good night.
Home, where I wanted to go.
just a girl. She expected the world.